Hi and welcome to the video. Today I'll be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use MailerLite for email marketing. Getting started is simple, and if you'd like to follow along, check out the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account right away. Once you're logged in, you'll see MailerLite's clean and intuitive dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. It's time to create your first email campaign. MailerLite provides beautiful pre-made templates and an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. Customize the design, add images, buttons, and links to make your emails stand out. Want to save time and keep your audience engaged? Automation is your best friend. With MailerLite, you can create automated workflows triggered by specific actions. Once your campaign is live, it's crucial to track its performance. MailerLite's analytics provide insights on open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. Use this data to optimize future campaigns and improve your marketing results. And that's how you can use MailerLite for your email marketing. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thank you for being a viewer of our video and for your continued support. It's incredibly meaningful to us.